That's the shortest train we ever saw. I need to tell you something.
Yeah.
Is this train gonna probably hook up into the end of the other
I don't
train
know.
going this way or no? What? Why is it going that way with two locomotives?
Another short train. They're not much of a train this time, so if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. Watch another video like if you were watching this from.
Another one that's
Hope you have a good day. Be safe out there until the next train video.